In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable safe search setting, which is parent control on your Google Chrome browser. Most times we give our phone to our younger ones or children, and if they search anything on Google, it might contain some search results we don't want them to see, like bad videos or sites, which they can easily access. But if you enable parent control or search safe search setting on your Google Chrome browser, it will block those sites. So before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and also give a like to this video so it reaches to more people. So first thing first, make sure you've logged in with your Gmail account on your desktop. So I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device. So make sure you are logged in on your phone and come over to where it says three dots and click on it. So once you click on it, scroll down to where you see, click on settings. So once you open the settings, let me open this twice. So when you click on settle, come to privacy and policy. So on privacy and policy, scroll down where you see security, click on safe browsing. So once you've clicked on this, by default it is set to standard protection, which is okay, but I recommend we use enhanced protection. So once you click on this, then once you're done clicking on this, just quickly scroll down to where you see use secure DNS. And what you do here is to enable it. By default, my own is enabled here. So once it's enabled, select here. By default, this will not be set to plain browsing filter family. It will be set to default, or yeah, it will be set to default on your own. But once you click on it, select plain browsing filter. So once you set this, this will get rid of any bad videos or any bad sites. So by doing this process, you have turned on or enable safe search setting on your Google Chrome browser easily on your desktop. So once your phone is given to your children or anyone, and once they search any um unwanted website you don't want them to search for, it will Google will block those websites. So let's move on to how to do the process on our mobile phone. So on our mobile device, so what we need to do is to go over to our Play Store or Apple Store and make sure to update your Google Chrome browser. So once you've updated the Google Chrome browser, click on the open button to open the Google Chrome and make sure again to log in with your Google account. This is my own login here. So once you've logged in, click on the three dots again. Click on the three dots and go over to your setting option. Once you select the setting option, so what you need to do is to scroll down and click on privacy and security. So once you click on it, scroll down to where you see safe browsing. Click on safe browsing and you see it's also down. You can see that it is stated here standard protection. So the same way we did it before, click on enable protection. And once you've clicked on enhanced protection, then go back and scroll down to where we see use secure DNS. Once you click on it, then click on choose any another provider. Then click on this option and select clean filter, family filter. So once you do that, just go back to where you can search. And once you hand over your phone to anyone and they search, Google will also block most of the unwanted site you don't want anyone to see, giving it the parent control over the device you hand over to anyone. So this is how we can use the safe search on our desktop and also on our mobile device. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, share this video and give a like. See you in the next video.